sides,
Other
yeah?
people.
We are now in the coral cave.
There we are.
Look, there's a fish.
Hey, fish! Check out all of the colorful bells.
Yeah, go this side.
There's a fish.
Oh, look at that side.
Oh, there's the oven. There's the shop. It's in the oven. Oh, look at that.
In fact, those are sea creatures too, called polyps.
Wait, look at it. There's the shop. Look at the oven. Mommy, where's the shop?
Our systems are showing right on track to find Atlantis. We're on the Atlantis stop.
There's the shop.
Oh, look at the size of that one.
Spicy.
That's a bit,
Where is it?
it's not waterproof.
Wow.
It's a daylight.
There's the shop.
Send it deeper now.
I think I can see daylight.
And
Can you?
welcome to
Right
the
there.
deep sea.
Oh no!
Oh, look at the big rain. It's big.
I think that's it. Yeah, we just went off the platform.
Okay.
We just went off the platform.
Look at the shark.
Look at the shark.
Keep an eye open.
Oh, it's a black tip! Black tip! Black tip! Black tip shark! Another black tip! There's a black tip there! Black tip! Black tip! There's a black tip! Oh, hello guys! Nice to see you! Oh, hello!
Brace yourselves, explorers. We're approaching Atlantis.
Oh, there's the car! You missed one. There was like three. Black tip! Black tip!
Loads of them.
Black tip! Black tip! Oh, hello, Black tip! Mummy! Mummy! I found scissors!
Oh, my goodness.
Black tip! There's somebody black tip! Shop! Somebody black tip! I found scissors. That's a black tip shop.
No, I think it was a tiger shark.
There's a whale shop.
I'm sure there was.
That was amazing.
Did you spot our divers out there working hard on protecting all the sea life in the deep sea? Awesome job, team!
Is this all we're
Congratulations,
doing?
explorers. Our mission to
Sorry.
discover Atlantis and the treasures of the deep sea
Really?
has been a success.
I was expecting
Enough.
Mommy, there's a big
It's
one.
been fun sharing the amazing secrets of the ocean with you.
Get through.
Now, let me check my remote systems to see how many.
Mummy needs a toilet. We'll find a toilet when we get off, okay?
More! Make sure to stop by our
High
repair
train.
facility as it gets